learners, today's topic is my birthday. Every one of us is eager to celebrate our birthdays. It comes only once a whole year. Every year, we celebrate our birthdays with great joy and happiness. I want to share my birthday celebration, which I celebrated last year. My birthday was on 11th February. I celebrated my birthday on Sunday. As it is a holiday, my parents were very humble to ask me for anything. On that day, I told them about my wish and asked them to arrange a good party for my friends. They agreed to fulfill all my wishes. My mother helped me to make the invitation cards and fill them with the names to invite to a birthday party. She made a list of all my friends. I invited all my friends and gave them an invitation card. I went to the market along with my mother and brought balloons and streamers, masks and caps, and other things to decorate the house. We ordered a big cake and bought wrapping paper along with the return gifts. At last, I purchased new clothes for myself and we came back home. After coming from the market, I started to decorate my house. I decorated the hall with streamers and balloons all over the walls, on the fans, doors, and windows. On that day, my mother was very busy, so she could not help me more in decorating the house. She spent the whole day in the kitchen, cooking for all my friends. Thus, I lonely decorated my house. It has been evening. All my friends and relatives started coming, and the cake also arrived in the evening. At my birthday party there were many people. I was surprised to see my friends, relatives, neighbors, etc. At my birthday party. All my friends were having fun at my birthday party. My father arranged the games for everyone and he became the referee for all the games. We played many games such as musical chairs, passing the parcel, following the leader, dumb charades, etc. and all. The friends enjoyed themselves. The cake cutting was the best part for me. Having played many games, the party started. Cake was put on the table in the center of the veranda. Everybody wished me a happy birthday after the candles were blown by me. Then I cut the cake and I offered the cake first to my mom and dad, then to all my friends, and they also fed me. The cake was in the beautiful shape of a Barbie doll. It was my choice. I was given gifts by everyone. I received many gifts, surprises, etc. On my birthday, I also give the return gifts to all my friends. After that we all had dinner. My friends and parents served everyone the food, drinks, etc. The food was ordered from a restaurant. The party ended at 9 p.m. Then my all friends returned to their homes. Late night, I opened each gifts of my friends. Thereafter, I went to bed with the satisfaction of having enjoyed the birthday party. Subscribe my channel, English and English Grammar with Dev, for English learning. Thanks for watching.